All right, everyone, let's dig into MATIC. Ticker symbol is MATIC. As you can see here, this thing has done pretty well since the huge market sell-off. I have taken some time off releasing some videos because of the turbulence in the markets. But I think it's a good time to get back in. Me personally, I am. I did sell out some losses. We'll be straight up with you about that. Definitely had some losses. But they weren't substantial. They were only, because I have a large cash holding. If I could have treasury bills at Coinbase, tokenized treasury bills, that would be what's up, but they don't, so I have to sit in cash a lot of the time. So about 20% of my portfolio was sold off. I had trimmed it, and now I'm back to about 20% crypto and 80% cash right now, and just kind of playing it right there. But when it comes to MATIC, I just want to take a note. This thing has rallied pretty well against the whole market. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin overlay really quick. As you can see here, no. We want to go towards 2022. That's what we want to do. So since 2022, sorry for showing everything on the left-hand side of the screen. Bitcoin, it's done worse than Bitcoin. Naturally, a lot of stuff moves in correlation with it. As you can see here, very low correlation compared to what was before, but plus 95% compared to its listing versus Bitcoin, right? But more recently, in this new era, it seems to be correlating kind of well. Not super high correlation, but it's breaking correlation just here in the past couple of days, or the past 2 weeks, I guess you can say. And I always try to be wary of the high correlated assets to Bitcoin. There's always going to be, like I said, some correlation. But this rally on this asset has been pretty nice, considering the fact that we're almost basically flat from when it was listed on Coinbase. Not even that much. I'm looking at around 38 cents, 35 to 40 cents, that price range, and we're sitting at 80 cents right now. So even when we bottomed down, it went basically roughly around that area. So. But it's, like I said, it's had a nice little rally. I just want to see how long this rally will last. I personally want to see if we can maintain at least 70 cents, okay? Because we haven't been able to maintain, price floor on this asset has never maintained 70 cents. Last time we hit 70 cents was briefly back in April, almost a year ago. We were there briefly. If you can see here on the left-hand side of my screen, we were briefly there, right? Traded there for about a week, massive spike up. Okay, then we did retrench down back into the 70 cent range. Okay, low 80s, high 70s, right? Where we're currently trading at spot prices today, right? So if we come back over here and we take a look at where we're going, I think I think the trading range is really gonna be around, definitely not up there. Could be. I think this is the new trading range, man. It could be. The new price floor is set. Definitely, I think the market has shown it can be anywhere between 80 and 40 cents right now. So do we go over the 80 cents? Are we going to sustain it? Is going to be a very good question going forward. As you can see, I only look at the EMA 7, the 21, and the 30. Sometimes I'll do the EMA, some other ones like the 365 I think is really important. But in this era of retrenchment right now, I don't think it's super necessary. I'm much more short-term holding period of like a week or two, possibly 30. Could have a reversal of trend after that 30-day mark. But as you can see here, so we've had basically a reversal of trend for like the past month. So if you were a believer and thought that I should have gotten in late June, but I was still kind of cautious and hesitant. But now that it's late July, I'm ready for that short-term reversal through a lot of assets. So we never know. This could be a bounce and we can sink back down to 50 cents. Let's see. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about MATIC? Is this thing going to pump? Is this rally going to be sustained, or are we going to drop down to that 50 cent level? Let me know in the comments below, and let's go and get these gains.